you guys? Today I'm gonna give this room a makeover because it's been bothering me for a really long time. I got my nails done this color. And I have been thinking about painting the room that color as well, so we're gonna go for it. I went to Home Depot today. Look how it dried. Oh, and then I also got this little value set and some tape. So we'll see how this works.
So first we're just gonna move this huge and really heavy bed out of the way. Then I just went ahead and got started with the painter's tape right away. Then started taking out the outlets and other things that were in the wall. Laid some stuff down. Didn't really want to get paint on the floor. Look at how beautiful this color is, you guys. Just gonna go ahead and get right to it. I was a little nervous about this first layer because of the stripes and everything, and it wasn't really looking that good, but you know, I just trusted the process, and by the time we started laying down the second coat, it looked really good. So then the next day just went ahead and started taking the paint off, then wanted to clean up the room and, you know, get everything out of the way. I don't know how we got so much paint on the ground, but luckily Ben had the idea of just spraying some Dawn dish soap down, and he mopped it right up, and it was really easy actually, so I'm super grateful for that because I was pretty worried about that. Just putting the outlets back on, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start moving everything back. Well, I wanted to take the box spring off because it makes the bed really high, so we finally went ahead and did that. Then just took the sheets off the bed so we could wash them since I have a new comforter coming. Okay, now for the shelving, we had these in our old apartment, and because it wasn't big enough to have another end table in it, I actually had a king size bed when I moved into the apartment we lived in before this house, but the room was so small, the building manager was like, you guys are gonna need a downgrade from this king to a queen. So I did. The room was so small that it could only fit the bed and the end table. So I had put these shelves up there just for whoever's on the other side of the bed to have something to set their things on. So there is enough room in this room to have two end tables, but I'm thinking maybe later on I might put a chair in the corner or something. And also Amadeus, our dog, sleeps over there. So I figure might as well just reuse these shelves and put them up for whoever's sleeping on the other side of that bed. And I'm really happy that I did because I think it just kind of set the room off.
Okay.
Also, Ben totally could have helped me. I just really wanted to prove to myself that I could do it by myself. And for anyone who's looking to do this sort of DIY project yourself, just wanted to show you guys that it is possible to do alone. You don't need somebody else with you. It might take a little longer, but it is very possible. Okay, so now that I got all of them set up, I'm just gonna add some, you know, smell goods. I put a plant in there. Then of course I gotta clean off everything else. Wipe down this table. Put the new sheets on, and I'm just waiting for some extra pillows, but this is what we got for now. And then if you know anything about me, you know that I love books, and a good book is a way to set off just a whole room, in my opinion. So I grabbed some of my favorites, and then I grabbed a few books that I would like to read and just started putting them around the room basically. So I got some hanging lights from Amazon and they didn't come in until the next day. So here we are a day later getting it together. I needed his help to hang them up. I'm pretty bossy, but he helped me. That was nice. Get a smell good to set it off. And woohoo, here we go. What do you guys think of the room? Would you ever try something like this? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.